Welcome everyone to the October edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and obviously a lot's going on in September. Our previous month, as we had in October, really had some catastrophic moves almost in the market for sure. Not only in the stock market, but also in the bond market, right? So what's going on is, I thought, just why is all this happening? It's all about inflation, right? So there's a lot of things going on. You have Fed's easy money. Now they got to recoup all that back, right? Get all that money out of the system. Then you have the government spending a lot of money, pumping more money in the system. All this stuff drives the price up. And then you have shortages of energy supplies, right? Not only here in the US, but you can see what's going on in Ukraine also. So, you know, energy it's the lifeblood of the economy for sure. So that's all being pushed into this inflation. So once we get this inflation under control, and hopefully we will, you know, then we should be on our way back to some steady growth. However, so this month I want to draw your attention to a couple things. I did a nice whiteboard video on understanding the rule of 55, right? The penalties you want to keep an eye out for, right? For those early railroad retirees who are looking to build that bridge to 60, check out that video, really great video. I did another one on a mailbag on Social Security and railroad retirement, you know, the difference in the benefits for those two programs. Check out that mailbag video, really good stuff there on Social Security and railroad retirement. And then also I have a chart in there on asset classes for 2022, just to show you the depth and breadth of the market's decline. All the different asset classes are all negative. I think out of 110, there was only like 3 that are positive this year. So take a look at that chart just to show you what's going on. And then finally, I have a good flow chart on when should I take capital losses. You've got to be taking, if you have a taxable account, you really got to be taking those capital losses, tax loss harvesting this year. So look at that chart, give you an outline, the strategy on how to do that. All right, if you need any help or you want to go a little in depth, a little bit more on that, reach out to me. All right, please share this newsletter with other railroaders and have them subscribe, really appreciate it. So until next month, hopefully it will be better next month. Everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.